The 4-hour chart of the YDS USDT. As you can see, the YDS is completely bearish. The 15 minutes chart is bearish. The 1-hour chart is bearish. The 4-hour chart is bearish. Even the daily chart is also bearish. So we got a smart sell order, and our entering level was at 1.972. Our TP1 is placed at 1.84151. Our TP2 placed at 1.71101, and our TP3 is placed at 1.58052. So as usual, we take 50% of our open position, we close it at TP1, we close 50% of what is left at TP2, and at TP3 we completely close the trade. Although our RSI indicator is showing us that the YDX is at a oversold position, but that notwithstanding, we just broke a key support level, and as long as this key support level remain broken, we are going to fall and hit our TP1 and eventually hit our TP3. So that is for the trade of the YDX, and we are pretty hopeful that we're going to make some profits from this trade.